What's going on?
What that is?
Shit.
Hey, every red I catch.
Shit.
That's
What's
him.
up? We got Tar, Ethan. We in this bitch.
Good.
We up in here.
Hey, you're good.
Let's see what time it is.
Damn.
We got 5:09. Going out on the water. About to win us a redfish tournament.
I know it's good.
You coming along with us? You know. Hopefully put a big redfish, trout, flounder in the boat. In the boat. And win this tournament, local tournament. So stay tuned, you know. We'll be out there fishing a little bit.
Every day I need a dose. Every now and then I'm missing. I got my times when I go ghost. But she mine. I'm stamping priority status, so them other bitches mad at her too bad. Coming through 100,000, I spent that times 2 on you. Call myself, can you lose it?
Fish. All right, man. Well, you know, Ethan took us to the wrong spot. There's no fucking fish here. So we're going to the spot that I chose because you know I'm the fisherman. So we're going to my spot now. We're about to catch some fish. I was trying to let him feel good about himself trying to catch a fish. Caught a couple ladyfish.
It's
though.
bullshit, is what it.
What do you got to say about that?
I give all credit to Devin Carter.
That's right. That's fucking right. Well, we'll see out the next spot when we catch some fish because I know it's gonna happen. We're on. Yes, sir.
Got it?
I'm gonna come get this better angle. Holy fuck.
Big old trout.
Holy fuck.
Let him. Yes,
Let's go! Let's go! Yes, sir! Let's go!
Big trout.
Let's go!
Yes,
Sir, let's do that.
There you go.
Let's go!
1 inches. Good trout, Devin. Hell yes, buddy. That's 4
21
pounds
and a
all
half.
day. 21 and a half. 4 pounds all day.
Let's go, Dev.
It's already filled. The one on the right. Good trout, boys.
What are you, son? Big old gator trout. Yes, sir.
Hell yeah. Hey, we made the way in.
Yeah,
Yep.
we're in there.
Let's go. We get out there.
All right, y'all. Finally on the board today. About 8:30, 8 o'clock. Finally got on the board with a nice trout. Hopefully catch a red flatty and win this bitch. But Tar's up here taking a nap, sleeping. It's windy as shit out here. But you know, Seth slacked. He forgot to put the weight on the fucking twice. Trying to rig up the rod and forgets the weight 2 times in a row. I don't know how it happens. Don't ask me, but hey, maybe he'll get it this time. But we'll get back with you when we're catching another fish. Seth, what happened, bro?
Monster,
Dude, Seth's got a monster redfish, dude. Crazy. Look, this is what we're watching right here. Waiting for that bitch to go. Tick, tick.
We're killing them fucking ladies.
Yeah. Can't stop catching the ladyfish. What can I say?
Hey, you're a faggot.
Right?
Yeah.
Well,
I think we're about to. Are we dipping?
we're gonna dip in a little bit. Try to get some more bait. Over for another trout. Alright, yeah, we're moving spots now. We went to my spot and caught fish, so we're gonna go to another one of my spots.
What's the move?
What's the move, Ethan?
We're gonna go run north, get more bait. We'll be back with y'all shortly.
Alright, update. It's a little windy out here. We got Ethan out here trying to catch some mullet. We ended up bagging a nice little flounder to add to the total, so we got two of the 3 on the slam. Just need a redfish. So we can grab some bait, try to catch a red in a little bit. We'll update you.
here, ladies and gentlemen. Big shout out to Kev over there, bringing us bait. What do you gotta say?
Oh yeah, boys, we're in the money.
Earn the money? Dev.
Money spot.
I catch me a red man.
Hey.
Red man, on the way.
Well, not what we were expecting, but not what we were expecting at all. But we got a fucking snook.
So
That's surprising, dude.
Where the fuck's Seth?
Oh yeah, buddy.
Look. Sir.
Good
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You my.
Yep.
Good.
Oh, yeah. That's perfect.
We'll take it,
That'd be
man.
good,
Why
boys.
not? Is he illegal?
If he ain't illegal, he'll be damn close, dude.
Oh god. Good job, man.
That's fine. Look at the tail, dude.
All right, let's measure him.
Oh
He's
fuck.
17.
He's gotta be 17.
Oh yeah, that's
He's
money.
legal, but
Oh, wait a minute. He's legal.
How big is he?
he's 21.
He's 20.
21.
21. All right. Well, he's legal. 21. We're taking her. Alright, update, it's about 45 minutes till weigh-in time. We're trying one last spot as a last ditch effort. We got the slam. Nothing too crazy though. I'll give you some underwater shots. Watch. Alright guys, just got back to the dock.
Fuck that tournament.
Ethan's cleaning fish.
That should be the opening scene.
Got her all cleaned up, everything out of her. We ended up getting second place in the tournament.
It's bullshit.
Well, what
We tied
happened
with
was
fucking first.
we tied with first.
We caught 3 fish. They only
Here we
caught
go.
2.
Hold up.
What kind of fucking is that?
Got 3.25 pound redfish, 2.80 trout, 1.45 flounder. But someone else had the exact same weight as us, but weighed in before us. So they got first and we got second. It's bullshit. But, you know, it is what it is. $500 payout. We'll take it. We had a good day, guys, right? Ethan didn't have a good day. Ethan's upset. Seth also dropped his phone in the water, which is unfortunate.
Got no fucking phone.
No foam.
This meat looks so yummy.
Shit.
so yummy.
About to cook that hoe up now. Man, we'll see y'all when we eating that